Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ayikho i-transport sifuna indoda manje ezothi ngo-20 rand wami elukunikela kuNkulunkulu ngigibele ngihambe kuyohlanganela ney'nsizwa ngithandazele izwe lami. Ayikho i-transport yamahhala kule nto yokulwela izwe ngoba yiyo lento eseyona abantu ukuthi umuntu futhi kuyosizwa yena efuna ukuthuthwa athuthele into ezosiza yena. Na manje sithi insizwa eno-20 rand ayithi ngo-20 rand wami ngiyagibela ngiya lapho kuhlangene khona ngathi asisho sithi thina umuntu ono-20 rand wakhe siyocela ukuthi ngomhla ka-30 agibele aye lapho esizobe sithe akuhlanganwe khona ngoba sifuna indoda nendoda ibe khona ilethe umoya wakubo, ilethe ingilozi yakubo, ilethe isithunywa sakubo, ilethe umsamo wakubo ekuzolweleni izwe. Nani-ke bongani ningafuna ukusala-ke nani-ke seningenza-ke nje kodwa khona kuqondene namadoda manje-ke ngoba phela nifuna ukusala sesiyonithini-ke ngovalile uyabona so nifingele indawo yenu nani eceleni ihlale ngapha eceleni kodwa masikhuluma iqiniso ngokwenhlonipho yakwaZulu nomsamo womuntu onsundu. Umuntu wesifazane fikathi ubaba kuwe ungiganile kufanele ngithi mina masibanibani la ekhaya angifuni ukuthi nokuthi. Mangiqeda nje ukuphuma egcekeni umsebenzi wakho njengomama ukuthi neni ney'ngane ubaba wala ekhaya uthi akakufuni ukuthi nokuthi. Niyabona iy'ngane njengoba ingezwa ingoba nina abantu besifazane senishaye ingane engayishawa umuntu wesifazane, ingane iyacetshwa kuze ingane izokwazi ingadlaleli kuwe njengoba iy'ngane y'dlalela kini kangaka nje manje ingoba nina nizenza nibe yinto yokugcina empilweni yengane, indoda into yokugcina empilweni yengane. So ingane uyayiceba ngamabomu noma ungazi ukuthi ubaba akekho ucebe nje ngamabomu ningizomtshela ubaba kufanele ingane yazi ukuthi khona umuntu omunye ngaphezulu kwakho ngamabomu noma ngabe uyayondla noma ngabe akayothanda zokuceba ngamabomu wenzelani impilo yengane hayi wena usuyizela ingane sekucosukile impilo vele already kuwena noma ungayikhukhumeza uthini kodwa isicosukile impilo. So sekufanele ucabangele neni ingane manje. So-ke enye yezinto esifuna ukuyibuyisa ilento yokuthi nina ngendlela enibaluleke ngayo thina masitshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngifuna ukwakha umuzi wami ube mkhulu. Wena umsebenzi wakho njengomuntu wesifazane ukukhumbuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi indoda yami noma ubaba wala ekhaya noma umfowethu noma umkhulu ufuna ukuvusa lo muzi. Iwona umsebenzi wenu njengoba silwelizwe nje umsebenzi wenu omkhulu kunawo wonke ubusikhulekela ukuthi siphile.
And let me tell you guys something, ne? One of the reasons why you guys should be scared and should be concerned about what's happening, it's because those people, they have military weaponaries that the government, to some extent, does not have knowledge of, and to some extent, allegedly, they have knowledge of. You understand? This is military equipment that was provided to them all the way dating back to apartheid. That when they were provided by, the divide between the Soviet Union and the USA. They still have those weapons that they never got to use during that time. They still have the weapons from exile. They still have the weapons and the training and the military education and the military skills that they gained in exile. Remember that during the apartheid system, it was this very same nation that led the revolt. It was this very same nation that went up in arms to decapitate the apartheid government. So, if you are ignorant and you don't know your history, you are in for a shock. Because I'm talking about people that have the military skills and the military equipment to take us down. Not only that, but because of the various industries that they're in, they also have the financial capabilities. And because when they are unified and they are united, they will do it. They can do it. This is food for thought, by the way. Whether you want to believe it or not, it's your opinion. But at the end of the day, it is the women that are going to be called onto the battlefield to save the men. It is the women that are going to have to get into the fight It is the women that are going to have to use their bodies to fight in this war. It is the women whose bodies will be used in the war, just like any other warfare. The women and the children are always the biggest casualties. Guys, we need to stop this. This is not about foreigners. This is not about foreigners. This is beyond. This is beyond. Look at what happened in Rwanda when the Tutsi were fighting with the other guys. It's possible. We have seen it in other nations. It's possible. So what would make us unique from other countries? Be careful, guys. Be careful what you're saying. Be careful what you're promoting and what you are accepting to happen in the nation.
Bafethu sayifikile kwelo cala leni into yoba uPhakela uMthakathi namhlanje uvele waya kwela cala lasemtubatuba. Hayi ke abandaziyo bayazi imtubatuba ndiyayithanda. Lela cala elinamakhwanasi. Bafethu xa efika pha uvele waqokelela amatsonga. Whether abanye bazabiza amatsonga abanye bathi amachangani. No offense ne, I'm just excited. Wathi nje le mfaze silwayo apha sizoyilwa nani because ngama South Africans. Njoba bebhizi befuna ukusixabanisa nje. Mabahlale phakeva bathatha iback seat babukele. Hayi wabafakela nini ngenkani. Hayi bafethu ndibena bo nje nabo sebecula nje ingoma eyi1. Bokungathi nami self ngavela ngichebele afro ndivela ndisibhaqe ndinekhathi kamnandi eza nazo zivela nje zisuke nje ngespeed. Hayi nami ngibeke xa sendibeke efunda zakhe xa sendibeka apha ikepisi ndidla lapha. Hayi sokuyikhalanyana nje into ngamani lahla ithi otherwise hayi ubujida nje ndinabo ne-works zobujida nje nazo ndingekhale nje ukuyibona ba ehlekile amadoda ophakela uMthakathi bazimisela ukwenzani. Bafe uthe nje njoba bebhizi nje bepequza nje nyi befuna ukusixabanisa ndizavele nje mina ndithini ndithi thina sinje sizithupha zo ay South Africans siyabashiya bekhamisile befuna ukusixabanisa. Thina siyazazi into yoba we are one. Bengaqali ke phofu niyakhumbula ndithi nase Eastern Cape beke bafuna ukusixabanisa bathi ingoma ithile ingathengani. Hayi ke ndabuya futhi ndafunda isonga ngoko nadibana nami sendijijilwini apha sensithi nje nikommbeleni nikumbela nikombeleni ndenzenzo nikombeleni khonapha uba unikombeleni ke ngusixoleleni. Hayi bafethu nithi uPhakela uMthakathi wenzani enhleke guys. Hayi ke nizayibukela into isenziwa nguPhakela uMthakathi le ndithi bebebhizi ngemoto wathi abanikazi bemoto mabambe bagadi imoto zabo sisizwe sabo nabo abo amatsonga. Hey yashaka nikhamisile nini ho yawazi umuntu ozathi nje mna ndingena imfazwe abantu ngoba izawusheka nami izasheka nabo bonabo ama-South Africans amatsonga.
uPhakela Mthakathi is sending a message to South Africans, especially men, to say on the 30th of June, please take your 20 rands and take a taxi to where we are going to meet for the march. Okay. And he was basically organizing the whole thing, the whole event, what will happen, and, like everything there. But he said that women must stay behind. They must not come that side. But we know. He just ended up saying, okay, you can come if you want to come, but this is not for women. This is for men. This fight is specifically for men to stand and fight for the country, not for women. Women must not be there. Maybe he's saying this being aware that they might be violent, which women are very sensitive, man. Women are very sensitive. I do stand with him that women must not involve themselves in such matters whereby there will be a lot of men, a lot of you don't even know what will go down there. You have no idea. So stay at home. And the lady was actually very excited, celebrating, praising uPhakela Mthakathi for what he did on the act of doing the march and march with Tsonga people, to say now since foreigners wanted to divide us with this case that has been happening on social media, here we are one thing. Tsonga people, South Africans, we can actually hear him saying this on the video while doing the march, saying Tsonga men must also join us because they're part of South Africa. they are South Africans. They have to join us so that we fight for our country. The country is not only for the Zulus, but also for every South African man. Everyone have to join. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?